I wanted to show you these talking flashcards that I received from the company. I have a 3-year-old and she has like really become into the alphabet and learning different letters and numbers. So I thought this is just such a fun way for her to do that together, either on her own or with me. So they come with like all of these different cards, tons, and it goes from different letters, numbers, emotions. Like this one has sad. It's really cool, like educationally. So you take the card, you put it in, and it's going to say the letter and then the picture, the glasses. We'll do another one.
F, flower.
Then
Sad. Angry.
so really cool educational toy for them. So again, you can see it comes with like 2 different big decks of cards. So lots of cards to go through. It's rechargeable. They come with the key ring to put the cards on so that you could take them off, and then a cord to charge it. It does have like a different volume. You can repeat them.
There is no card. Cloud.
I would think this is,
Cloud.
yeah, so you can repeat it. I think this is good for anything from like a baby up into like kids learning how to read. So you're going to get a lot of use out of it, or maybe your kid needs some help with like the social and emotional piece. So you could really show them different things with like,
Laugh.
you know, like different expressions. It's good to like name feelings, things like that. Just like an aid for that. Great educational toy that I'm really happy that we have, and I know my daughter is going to get a lot of use out of. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something like this.